Morning, I'm just out on a very local walk. It's one that I do quite regularly. Fields, woods. But it's very quiet today. Eerily so. It's not a breath of wind, which is unusual because we've had quite windy days recently. It's the old robin in the background I can hear. Blue tit. Some long-tailed tits over there, I think. But yeah, very quiet. So the other side of this hedge is a roe deer. I've managed to get a few shots and he was walking this way. Didn't seem to be bothered that I was here. Had a look. I think he knew I was here, but he's just gone the other side of this hedge, so I'm just going to see if he's on the other side. Okay, he's just down. He's just down the other side of the weeds on the edge of the field. I'll see if I can get round without spooking him. The camera will pick it up. This is just the phone. There are two deer on the horizon, just in front of the horizon actually, quite a long way away. So that's 3 deer this morning. We do get quite a lot of deer out here. So I've come round the other side of the woods out onto a long bank. There's actually, you can't see them, there's 2 more roe deer way over there where the tree line meets the field. And the 2 deer that I saw a minute ago are way over there, sort of there. So no closer, but we'll have a wander down the bank for a little way, just to see if there's anything else about. So, lovely encounter with some roe deer. They must have been the other side of this bank. Suddenly popped up, possibly looking to cross. You see there's a ditch there. It's got a little bit of water in, but they'll jump it anyway, I think. So they might have been looking to cross to get to the woods, because they're out in open field at the moment. So maybe it's time to go back to the woods. Anyway, they were shocked to see me. I was shocked to see them. Managed to get a couple of shots, I think. Then they moved down the field and tried to cross, or went up to the bank. I'm assuming they're trying to cross, I don't know. But they went up onto the bank and there's a JCB clearing some weed right at the end, so they were quite close to him actually. Anyway, they decided not to cross, so they've come back into the field behind me. They're way at the back there. So I thought I'd walk down a bit further along the bank just to give them space to cross if they want to. I'm just trying to see where they are now. So yes, they're actually now when I look, they're way over there and they're grazing, so they're probably okay. They've probably decided to hold off a bit. They're well used to people. You know, this is a dog walking route. We do get lots of deer, but that's 6 I've seen this morning. Okay, there's a buzzard or a kite has just flown into the trees ahead of me. This is where I saw the kite a couple of weeks ago. There's a dead tree there in the middle there, and that's where the kite was sitting the other day, and I got some great shots. I'll link to that now. There's something large just flown into those trees, so I'm just going to go up slowly and have a look. As you can see, it was a buzzard that had landed in the tree. I managed to get a couple of shots and then made my way home. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.